So today's job behind us, not something we usually do. Customers asked us if we'll fit his own supplied Japspeed, I think it is. Fit his own supplied exhaust system. So yeah, we don't usually do it. In this instance we'll do it. We don't mind, we do build his own stuff, but we will happily fit somebody else's stuff as well, if you do supply it. We'll do a quick before and after on this one, because my god, I think exhaust fell off, it sounds atrocious. Let's put this camera and have a listen before. I'm sure after will be much better. Go on. Oh my god. So we've no idea what it looks like underneath yet. We've not had it up on ramp, but it doesn't sound like exhaust even connected at all. So let's get it up on ramp and see what we're dealing with underneath. Become a problem in future. We just spoke with customer, we were on about we were going to V-band them because we haven't got any flanges the same size, but I think we're just creating more work for ourselves by doing that, because these bolts up here onto the manifold look a nightmare. They look like they're rusty as out, probably going to snap, and then we'll end up taking manifolds off and this job's just going to get out of control. So I think the best situation here is we'll bolt these up with new gaskets on, maybe a smidge of sealer on them, and I think they'll be alright. And if they do become a problem in future, then yeah, the customer will have to just come back and we'll weld some new flanges onto these caps. Sounds 10 times better than what it did when it come in. So just a little review. What do I think at Japspeed exhaust? Fitment, I'm going to be completely honest, fitment isn't that amazing. Some hangers are a little bit long, flanges have took quite a bit of pressure to bolt up in places. It's alright, I'm guessing it's probably not a $1 million exhaust, it fits alright. Tailpipes though, they're as far in as they'll go. Personally for me, don't like that look, they're too far out for my personal preference, but it's not my car. If customer likes that, they might like it. So yeah, tailpipes stick out a little bit too far for my liking. Also, one thing I don't like about tips, I don't like how they are bolted on with these Allen keys, and you can see nuts and stuff on inside when you look at them. Could have been better in my personal opinion. They could have been on a slip joint, which is hidden, then you don't see any Allen keys. Actually, it doesn't seem too intrusive into cab, it's not too boomy at low revs. I mean, you can hear it, it's not, but it's not excessive. We're just on his way to bypass. We'll try some 70-mile-an-hour cruising, see if it drones at all.
It's not droning.
It has got them anti-drone boxes on them back boxes, so it'll be interesting to see if they actually work. We'll test them. Yeah, it seems alright so far.
It's got no horrible drone yet, has it?
Not yet. I haven't really give it any yet, so we don't know what it sounds like. We're gonna get up bypass and we're gonna unleash the noise, see if it sounds any good. Just coming onto the bypass. Let's see what it sounds like.
Sounds nice, that.
Sounds nice. Let's get it in 6th gear, see if it drones. Not bad actually, is it?
No drone whatsoever.
70 mile an hour.
Yeah. Motorway speed as well, isn't it? So
I think there's more road noise from tyres and rest of the car because it's such a short car than there is exhaust noise. It's pretty impressive, no drone.
that's one that fails. Jesus Christ.
About a 3 mile drive and I said to Connor, I went, did you take the reg plate off back? He reckons, oh no. So we're just done a 3 mile drive without on back at reg plate. It's a good job we didn't see old Bill.
Oh dear.
We better take it off and get the original reg plate out.
Towards end of gear, doesn't it? In them high revs.
What's your thoughts on
it? I don't mind it. I don't really like cars like this, but if I heard it, if it drove past me, if I heard it, you know, driving on road or whatever, I'd definitely think it sounded nice. I think it sounds nice towards higher end at rev range, but personally, it's not really for me.
Fitment out of 10, what would you give?
Fitment out of 10. Probably a 5 because it weren't that bad, but it had a few gaps there, but stuff that we could easily correct. So
it's harsh, yeah. I agree. Fitment wise, I'd probably say 6.5 out of 10. It's not the worst exhaust I've ever fitted. I've had some off the shelf stuff that is absolutely garbage. It didn't fit amazing. Like I said, when you're bolting front flanges up and stuff, there were a bit of gaps, puts flexi under a little bit of pressure and stuff like that. What annoys me when we build our own stuff with mega OCD and stuff, everything's got to fit perfect.
If you're talking tip wise as well, then I feel like I could give it I feel like that's what knocks it down to a 5 for me.
Well, so looks out of 10, I'd say a 5 out of 10 for looks.
Same.
I don't like how far it all sticks out. It's all on show underneath. It sticks out like two goofy front teeth. I don't like that look. I'd prefer boxes to be tucked up a little bit more. I'd like tips in a little bit more. And like I said, I don't like that clamp fitment, the bolt fitment, sorry. I don't like the bolt fitment with tips because you can see it and it just looks cheap and tacky. We've had a look on the internet, it's about a 520 quid exhaust. So for 520 quid, it's a lot of exhaust. If we were to custom build that, it'd be a hell of a lot more than 520
double
quid.
That easily, wouldn't it?
I don't think it's the best sounding 350 exhaust there is. I've heard a lot of these before, some of them sound immense. I personally don't think this one sounds all that amazing. It can't, I don't know how to explain it. It hasn't got that 350 rasp to it. Similar to like what R32s and stuff have, you get that like 6-cylinder rasp. This ain't got that, it's a bit deeper. Maybe there's an unresonated version what makes it sound a little bit better. Overall, we'll call that a wrap on this job. It sounds alright. Hope you like this video. Like and subscribe for more videos like this. We'll catch you in the next one.